Hello friends, welcome to my channel Art Point with LMRC. Today I am going to show you how to color a picture. The picture, how to draw the picture, I have given this already, and now I am showing you how to color the picture. Now there is a house and there are two trees for the house, and as there is a sun, so I have decided that sun, it should be a sunset time. So the house, the color of the roof of the house should be orange in color. So just look, and how I am using the color pencil or the pastel color, please look at it. I am giving horizontal strokes. So always you have to remember, when you are using the pastel color and when there is a roof like thing, there you have to use horizontal stroke. That means the slipping line stroke. So in that way you have to color the whole roof. Then I am using the color purple color. With the help of the purple color I am just giving an outline. So first I have used a little bit deep color, but now I am just watching it, it doesn't match, so I am using a little bit light color. And now I am using grey color for coloring the house. See how I am coloring the house with the grey color pastel. Now I am using a blue color pastel for giving some shade, and always remember, when you are using the grey color while coloring a house, you have to give the blue color or the deeper one in the lower side and lighter one in the upper side. So I am using the deeper color in the lower side or the lower portion of the house. So in this way the lower portion should be a little bit deep and upper portion should be a little bit light. So in this way you have to make the color combination. And as it is a pastel color, I have to mix it. After giving the color in this way, then I have to mix the color with the help of my finger. See, in this way I am mixing the color. So friends, when you are drawing or you are coloring the picture, you should also mix it with the help of your finger. See, in this way you will mix it, so it will look good. Now I am coloring the balcony part, that is green color. It's a light green color, so I am giving the tinge of light green in the balcony part. See how I am coloring the balcony part. Now it is completed. Now let's go to color the next part of the picture. I am taking the yellow color. With the help of that, after giving the green color, just put a little bit tinge of the yellow color, so it will look brighter. Now I am taking the speech color and I am coloring the road part. Now the road will be, there will be a shade in the road. So first, the first tone should be a lighter one and then deeper color, deeper tone will be given. So first I am just coloring it with the lighter one. Friends, do you like this coloring the picture? If you like, so please share this, please subscribe this, and please give me some comment. See how I am coloring the whole road with the help of the peach color. Now the roof remains incompleted, so I am just giving some tinge of purple color on the roof. I am making a border. In this way I am making the border. So friends, you can make a border of the roof in this way, and if you give some tinge of color on the roof, you can mix it with your finger. Just see, in this way you will just mix the color. Now see, the road seems to be very much incompleted. So how can I complete the road? Let's color. Let's take this color. It's a deep brown color and I am just putting it in this way. First you make a border and then you you make this slipping lines, means horizontal strokes, and just make it in this way. It should be a lighter one. Color will be deep, but don't give pressure on the pencil. So just give very lightly, you just make this. In this way you make the shade. Just look, I am not putting any pressure. I am just moving the pencil very lightly on the road. As a result of this, the shade comes like this, and see how beautiful it looks. Now I am taking the yellow color, and with the help of the yellow color I am coloring the lawn part. See, this is the garden or lawn part is there. First I am coloring it with yellow. I am giving this yellow because yellow is a very bright color, and it's a daylight. So as it is day, so I am giving this yellow color. And while coloring, you have to be careful. There are flowers, there are little things. So don't give color on that part. Otherwise, you have to remove that. Now take a green pencil or green pastel and just again do the same thing that I have done in case of a road. Just give very light strokes, not give pressure. Don't give pressure on your pencil. Just make it very lightly give the strokes on the yellow color. Then it seems very good. So in this way, when you are just coloring a field or a garden or a lawn, so just first you can give the yellow color, and after that you can use light green color, and after that again the third tone you can use saf green color or a deep green one. This part represents the grass part or the grassy and greenery part of the picture. Now friends, see, I have completed more or less. Now here the same lawn this side also, so the house is in the middle and on the both of its sides there is a green lawn, and after that there is a line, that is an horizontal line. On that horizontal line there is a green bush, and there are some small flowers. You can put the flowers red color or any different color you can give, and always try to give some bright colors because we always like bright colored flowers. Now I am coloring the bush. The bushes should be very deep green. So please use deep green color for coloring the bushes. After coloring the bushes, I'll color the trees. Now see how beautiful the house looks. The, see, first I use light color for coloring the bush, and then I am using a deep green for coloring it. So always use like this, first the light tone and then the deep one. Now I'll color the tree. Now while coloring the tree, see the branches are there. Now for the branch, for coloring the branch, first use this yellow ochre and then you will use the deep brown color. First cover the branches with yellow ochre color. So in this way the shading will be good and it seems very beautiful. See, first I have used this yellow ochre color and then I'll use the brown color for coloring the branches of the tree. Now I am using the deep brown color for the branches of the tree. I have completed coloring the branches and now I will do the coloring of the leaves of the tree. For coloring the leaves of the tree, again use the light green color and then use the deep green color. See, first I have given the light green and then I am giving the deep green color. I hope everybody has understood this, and if you face any problem while coloring this or if you have any kind of question, please please write to me in the comment box so that I can give you the suggestions. Look at the house and tell me if it looks like a dream house, isn't it so? And then the picture is almost complete, and now that I am going to color the orange sun. Since it's a picture of sunset, so I am just coloring the sun with orange color. And the birds are there. Some part is left and that is for you. If you can do this, please send me the picture also. I hope you like this coloring part. If you like this, please send me a comment. Please support me. And yes, I have forgotten to do the fence. Now the fence is there. And for the fence, I can give this type of deep color, or you can use green or black for making the fence. And how it looks like, please comment me.